Guys, so gonna show you a little bit of my kitchen. I did a little bit of refresh to it. If you haven't seen the videos, you've probably seen the videos of me refreshing that and refreshing my thingy there. But I'm tired of this. Love it, but I want to change the color because we need a bread box, and I'm tired of that. So I'm thinking that I want to just keep this one because this is one that I've paid full price for to support him, and I really want to keep that one. But these three I really don't care too much about. And these are antique book holders. So since I'm going to only keep a couple books that I truly like, they're going to go under my bed. I can use these under my bed to hold the area, hold the books in the area that I want to keep them. So I'm getting rid of that. So we don't have the cluttered look of that. And I can kind of spread these out. And they can have their own little space like that and not be so close to that. And that's how that's going to look with the butter dish, because I use that more often than I use that stuff. And I'm going to put these along with some stuff that I'm going to show you guys. So I went through my kitchen grabbing stuff that I have not used in months, and I purchased, and it's new and I didn't even touch it, period. And decluttering some of the items that I have too many of. So these I'm getting rid of from my, y'all know what that's from, that blender thingy. This little faux plant I'm getting rid of. You know what, I'm going to keep these because we do use these. Not going to move too fast on those. If we don't use them within the next couple months, then they will go away. But all of this stuff, this sifter I don't need because I have a different type of sifter. I haven't used this, Lord, y'all know what this is. I went blank. A little mini bundt cake pan. Lord, this is to make the pitas, not pitas. Oh Lord, tortillas, homemade tortillas. Haven't used it. A hard thing to cut sandwiches. Haven't used it for Rizzy. She don't really like sandwiches like that. A top to a blender ball cup. A top to an Ozark Trail cup, and I cracked it. I might just toss that. A funnel cake, funnel dispenser thing for if you want to make funnel cake. And then random glasses, 2 glasses, and then a random other glass. I don't know where my husband got this from. Candle things that I cleaned out. Another blender thingy. Another Dollar Tree glass thingy that I'm not using. A jar that some banana pudding my mother-in-law's friend came in. And a mirror. This was just randomly sitting in my kitchen. So all of this stuff is going to be going in that box right there, along with some other stuff. So yeah, I'm going to purge this, and I'm going to show you my cabinet. I just got done washing dishes. So this is what we have. 4 of these cups. These are the ones I got from Target, and I showed you they have a mimic of these at Walmart, which have prettier colors, because this is like a celadon green and not like a pretty mint sort of what's that other turquoise light baby color green. We have, I think I'm going to get rid of these because we already have 4 of these, and this is for when we eat in sauces and different stuff like that, and I'd rather keep the stainless steel ones. My cup that I love from when we went to Hollywood for the first time. Then I have glass bowls and little bowls that I use for when I'm cooking and baking certain things and have to measure out stuff for the girls or myself. So I kept 2 small glasses, 2 big glasses. It's only 4 of us, and these are ice cream cups, and there's one here. We keep 4 of them, so in case we want to eat ice cream. I had these for years and the kids love them. So my cup and my husband's Ozark like regular cup are up here, mine and his gray one, but we have the thermoses. So we'll see how long those sit. If those sit too long, those will be also given or blessed. I will probably bless somebody with those. This is a mug my grandmother got me when I graduated years ago from college. And it's just hard to give up because she passed away. And then I have 2 teacups that I literally love. They're vintage teacups, and you can take off the bottom and then it can become a glass. And I bought them in South Carolina. I can't remember where I got these from, but they're just too cute. And when I get into drinking teas like I should instead of coffee, I definitely will have 2 nice teacups. I don't have to buy any. And so these are one I got from one of my sisters on YouTube for my birthday. Y'all remember I was excited unboxing the ones with the color. And then my husband bought me some for Mother's Day. So these are the only storage containers we have for packing our food and stuff. So that is my my cabinet. And we have 3 bowls, and actually it's 6 of these and it's 6 of these. These are from Target as well. So here's the other, and my husband has one upstairs with him, and then that's the other bowl, that's the other cup of the 4 that we have. And the next place I want to end up purging is down here. So these are like my casserole dishes and stuff. I do use all this stuff, and when I send my mom food over after dinner, I do use it. It's just not in here right. So I'm going to rearrange this. And then those are containers Rizzy uses for school. So I think I just need to rearrange this more, and then it'll be better, because y'all see I use this all the time. I use that for my rice, and I use all my pots. So yeah, and these have been purged and decluttered to minimize to this amount, and then I'll show you my regular pots. So this is the Circulon set that I got from Kohl's, and then I found the big frying pan here from Target, and that's the only set of pans that I have, and they're all in one drawer, nice and neat, and that's it. Over here, you guys seen when I showed you how I use this top rack to kind of organize everything, and basically everything under here I do use. Y'all know I bake a lot, so my cooling racks, the tops to my pots, I do muffins a lot, we do pizzas a lot, frozen pizzas or homemade pizzas, and my cookie sheets, I need those, and my wok is under there. And then that's just stuff if I decide to make a cake for the kids, but it's all nice and neat and out the way. So that is what it looks like so far, and I will definitely be purging more and showing you more of how I'm getting my kitchen more organized and minimal according to what I know I use, and not just have an abundance of unnecessary stuff. I hope you guys are enjoying these purge and declutter videos, which has been a journey for me. And I would tell you, take it one day at a time. And the more that you fill your space and are in your space, you can tell what is kind of giving you anxiety and making you frustrated when you use stuff. You should be able to go reach for it and not have stuff in the way, falling, or just too much of it when you're trying to go for one thing. So make it more easy and efficient for you to use in your home. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, stick to your script because you are the best at it. Later, Gators.